The National Weather Service Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Lafayette Parish in South Central Louisiana until 7:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Duzin, or 12 miles west of Lafayette, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Youngsville, and Scott. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.